Hello, Mr. Newman here. In this video I will be showing you how to log into Seesaw and running you through the basics. We are going to start by logging into Seesaw. Click on I'm a student. Each of you have an individual login. For forms 1 to 6 you will use your school email address to log into Seesaw. This is your school username followed by @eversfield.co.uk. Your normal school password will work here, and it is the same password that you use for folder. Children in the early years will receive a text code via email before Monday. They will use this code to log on to Seesaw instead of a username and password. For this example, I'm going to use one of these codes. Once logged in, you will be taken straight to your assigned activities. This is where your teachers will be posting work for you to complete. You can see how many activities you have in the top left-hand corner. Clicking on your name will also show you all of the classes that you are enrolled into. Each activity will have a clear set of instructions for you, and some may even have a worksheet to guide you further. Clicking on Add Response will allow you to send your work back to your teacher. As you can see, this activity has a worksheet for me to complete. I can do this by using some of the tools built into Seesaw. I will be posting more in-depth tutorials on these tools during Monday afternoon's computing lesson. For now, I will use the pen tool to fill in the worksheet. I can then click on the green tick in the top right-hand corner to return my work. This will go to my teacher to check, and I will have a blue banner to show me that it has been sent. Once a teacher has marked my work, the blue banner will disappear. Their comments will then appear below the piece of work that you have submitted. These can come in many forms, from a text comment to a voice recording of your teacher, or even sometimes just a simple like to show that they've seen your work. You can view all of the work that you've submitted in your journal. I hope that this has been useful for you. I will be providing more in-depth tutorials to you on Monday, but if you have any problems in the meantime, you can email me on support@eversfield.co.uk. Thank you.